Hey friends, when we want to build a website for our business, WordPress gives us all great options. By selecting a perfect WordPress theme, we can start creating our dream website and that too without having any technical knowledge. In this video, we are going to create a website for electrical installation and electrical services. And this is going to be a perfect website for service providers who are providing electrical, electrician, or related works, you can say. So you can see the layout that we are targeting in this video, and the theme that we are going to use and overview is itself named Electriza. It is a electrical installation and maintenance services FSE WordPress theme, full site edit. And uh, in earlier video we also used some FSE WordPress themes, and FSE themes, as you know, are comparatively more easy to use and most effective. You can say the more effective themes that we can manage. Okay, right. So this is a new theme, Electriza, and it has been developed by Zag Theme. They are Power Elite author at Envato Market, themeforest.net. You can simply buy the theme for $69 through the video description link. And in this $69, you are going to get quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, and 6 month support from the Zag theme itself. In addition to this, you are going to get a free pass to join the iCreate program where you can create or complete your website with the help of WordPress mentors, and you can launch your professional website in no time. Okay. So Electriza is the theme that we are going to use and overview, and we are also going to discuss a very trending plugin for today, which is a core rollback plugin. That means you can roll back your WordPress version to any version, any required version, if you are facing any trouble with the current or existing version that you are using. So you will find all great things in this video, and if you are really serious about your website success, you should select a perfect WordPress theme. And there are hundreds, thousands of themes and other resources like plugin and how to guide available on this channel to make your WordPress website successful. I'm sure you are going to be a subscriber of this channel, or you are already a subscriber. Okay, so without any further delay, we can start creating this wonderful, amazing website. This is going to be a complete website. It has all the internal pages that we need for electrical services website, and you don't need to create any, I mean, uh, almost all the great pages, all the required pages is here available on this theme itself, and this is going to be a complete package, and you can start building, or you can start putting your content, and you can launch your website very soon. Okay, so I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress as always, and I'm using cPanel based hosting plan. It is recommended to use WordPress optimized hosting plans, and either it can be cPanel based or hPanel based. So you can get all those things that you need for your WordPress website at WP Themes website. Again, you have to follow the video description. All the important links have been given in the video description. And if you have any question regarding the selection, you can directly ask a mentor here on a live chat. Now, the thing is that the Electriza theme that we are going to install, and it does not require any technical specific knowledge, and I'm just showing you insight of this theme so that you may take your wide decision about buying or purchasing or using this theme. What are the features available? It is really important to understand all the features that you are going to get in a particular theme before you take or buy the theme. Okay, so this is all mentioned here, but yes, we are going to check all these things in our live installation. To begin the installation, I'll show you the theme pack first of all. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, which is just 3.3 MB in size. The child theme is also included. The README guide and the licensing part is here. So we are going to use this electriza.zip file for our installation purpose. To begin the installation, it is going to be very simple step, and you can simply open the appearance tab. Here we can, first of all, we can add the default theme. This is a very clean installation, fresh installation, as I am saying, and you should also go with the core and fresh installation. Don't keep any plugin active or installed in the core or fresh installation. Just only the 2025 WordPress theme, or maybe in future 26. So nothing else. Here we can add the theme, upload theme, choose installable theme file, that is electriza.zip, and simply click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds depending upon your host capacity, but yes, we are using WordPress optimized hosting plan, so it got installed within few seconds only. So we can go to the theme page, and at the theme page now we have Electriza as another theme option along with the default one. And if we check the details, this is very first version. So I'm happy to record this video since it is a very new theme and we are going to get a unique website while using this theme. It has got only 9 sales as of now. It got launched on the 27th February. This is a new theme. However, let us see how really it works and how it worth spending $69 for this theme. So stay tuned until the end of this video, and we are going to activate this theme here. And upon activation, we have this install required plugins screen where we are we are going to install the Gutenberg form, and the Gutenberg companion. So this is all for FSC, I believe, and we can simply install the required plugins simply by clicking on this link, and you can see the progress bar. It is very simple, and as I said, you don't need any developer assistance for doing all these things. Okay, great. Once we completed the installing these listed plugins, we can install and activate it. Okay, so we can go for next screen, and here we need to choose what actually we want to import as demo content. Since this is a new installation, we can choose to have all the pages, import all pages. However, you have all the choices, like you can only import the home page or about us or selected page, whatever you want, and you can even view the demo of the page by clicking on these links. But since this is a new installation, I am going to choose this import all page option, full import option, and there is another option, import without menu, but by default full import is great, so I can simply start the import. And now the screen is showing the progress of page import, like home page is being imported. Similarly, all the pages will be imported. Total 11 pages we are going to get here, and it may take a while depending upon your host and the internet speed and also dependent factor. But yes, you have to show your due patience on this screen without disturbing the process. And you can see in just a minute or so, just a minute, I got 4 pages completed here. So it is going very fast, and you can see the speed actually. And the pricing page, the product details page, our theme pages being imported, and all these pages are completed. We just need to add our own content, and it will be fine to launch our complete website. So you might be thinking the SEO part and all other parts that you need, but yes, the demo website will be fine. So install demo completed, and we can simply or demo successfully imported. So we can close this, and at this time we can go for next. Yes, and the unlock limitless possibility, so we don't need this, so we can go for next and view dashboard. Congratulations, all set. This theme is built with Gutenberg, a powerful and lightweight Gutenberg blocks and page builder plugin for WordPress site editor, right? So we can visit the dashboard, and we can even check our new website that we just installed. Okay, new we have made changes, Gutenberg form, so it's set up now. Okay, Gutenberg Guten icon and font awesome. Okay, that is great. So we can complete this as well, and we separate block into separate plugins version 2. That is fine. Great, all done, and we can have fun now with the new website. I'm going to show you, and this is here without any trouble, without any disturbance, without any delay. We got this complete website, and you can see the speed. This is the beauty of FFC theme. So I'm recommending, technically you can go with the FFC themes. There are some more themes that we discussed in the earlier video, but yes, if you are targeting any electrical or related services website, this can be a very good choice. So now we can conclude that we can go with this theme. But yes, I'll show you the inner side of this installation, of course, and the theme can be now bought. It is recommended from our side, and it is just costing $69 and you are going to get all the future updates for this theme as well. And in this $69, you'll get all the supports from the theme developer itself, and we are also available for you in making your website live and complete. Okay, so this is all for you. And this is time when we can discuss our trending plugin, that is core rollback plugin. So when you need rollback plugin, I'll show you. And this is the plugin and discussion today. Core rollback and the seamless rollback of WordPress core to latest release or any outdated secure release using the core update API and the core update methods. Only latest release and outdated secure releases are offered. Refer, and so you can check all the details. But yes, if you need any rollback of your WordPress core installation, this plugin is going to be really very helpful, and it is trending and it is being used widely, and you can see the active installation 10,000 plus, and the regular updates for this plugin is also going on. And this is a free plugin. I'm not promoting any plugin or any theme, so you have all the choices. This is absolutely free plugin that you can get at WordPress repository. So in case if you need a rollback action at your WordPress installation, check this plugin. This will really help you. In case you need a detailed video, just write in the comment section of this video. I'll create a separate video for rollback core, this particular plugin. Okay, so coming back to the installation, we just created this amazing and full featured website. Simple website, but yes, very effective one. And now I'm taking you to the backend again to show you what we got in this installation. First of all, the pages that I can see. So I assume 11 pages. Yes, all the 11 pages are here. And you can simply edit the page using the Gutenberg. So this is the beauty, and this is the Gutenberg based plugin, I mean the theme. So you don't need any page builder for editing the site content, and you can simply click on the area that you want to edit. So this is the beauty of this Gutenberg plugin or the platform that is being used at this uh, theme and on the website. So simply click on the area, start editing, and you can edit the original one, and you can uh, choose other options of editing that you can go for. Like you can go for dynamic data, you can use for text highlighted and some additional things. But for editing the basic things, you can simply click on the area and you can start typing your own content or pasting your own content. Just keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image and same length of text content that has been used so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. So you have the color variables and the font variables from this option. So you can explore all these, and just in case if you need any support, as I said, we are here to help you in all aspects. Okay, right. So 11 pages, the Gutenberg itself. So you can check the ecosystem here and the Gutenberg ecosystem. You can understand the system and the Gutenberg news or the form, whatever you want to use at your website. The blocks that you want to use, you can simply enable or disable, like flexible wrapper enabled or the form builder, pop-up builder. So whatever you want to use, which is available for free, you can directly enable from this screen. And this is a very, very important screen that you can control. Further, we have settings like a custom font and the template if you are willing to edit all these things, and the system status you can check here, right, in the Gutenberg. And the form is here, whatever form is being used. So form actions and the entries can be checked here. I mean, you don't need any additional form builder with this site. So Gutenberg forms will work and you can create new form, and similarly once you create forms you can check the entries on the form here. Nothing complicated things, no complicated things, and you can simply go for Electriza, the FSC WordPress theme for your electrical and related services website. This is really very easy to use, and you are going to get a complete website with this theme. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.